Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the original rocker panel. This was the passenger's side, yeah. Anyway, I obviously it had some damage. It was really bent when I first got the car, and I did a little bit of body work on it, and I got it, looking pretty okay, I think. But the finish, it was really starting to look pretty ratty, and lots of scratches and whatnot. So I did find one online, and so I bought that in order to replace these. By the way, you cannot put this one on the other side, so they have to be either left or right. Also, during the what was it? The what are they called? The NCRS Winter Nationals. Was it 1 or 2 years ago? Anyway, I found a pair of rocker panels. I think they came off of 75. And I think I paid only like 10 or 15 bucks for the pair, and they're in really good shape. And the reason I bought them is because, one, they were affordable, and second, they don't go bad. So, but anyway, I wanted to share, these are usually the condition in which you find these things. They get very dull looking. You can clean them up a little bit, but anyway, I decided to have mine professionally polished. I tried, and I'll post some pictures of my attempt of polishing, which was a total fail. And so I decided to go to a professional. There's a local place here. They polish like what are those called? Those Argosy or whatever, those beautiful aluminum trailers and motorhomes. So anyway, they did a fantastic job for me, and this is the end result. I mean, they look like a mirror, and they're easy to maintain. I just used some of the mother's polish on them, but as you can see, the finish is just superb. So anyway, let me also show you some of the steps. I didn't, of course, film everything they did, but I caught them right before they gave them back to me. And you can see one of the guys going to town polishing the one of the panels. I hope this gives you a a good idea of what you can do to these panels. I know some people paint them, and some of the Corvettes C3s, I believe it was the later models like 80 through 82, I believe they were painted black, I think. I just like the polished look. They look really, really nice. So anyway, I wanted to show you the difference. Thanks for watching.